Hey guys, let's talk about the TP-Link Tapo C210 SD card setup. I have the camera already working, as you can see here, close to the window. And here's the video, live video, right? And then when I come here to the playback and download, there's no recordings, okay? Because I don't have an SD card there yet. So what I have to do is just come back here to the main menu and check if I have an SD card available there. And here in storage and recordings, you see no micro SD card, right? So I just need to install one. I have here this micro SD card. I'll leave the link in the description. It's a good one. I recommend this one because it's fast enough. You just need to check the speed here and the capacity. Of course, this one is a 32 gigabytes SD card. So I just need to bring the camera and install the SD card. I'm gonna just unplug the camera first here so I can just move the lens up and insert the card into the slot. So just move up, grab your card and just insert that way, okay? This way facing up, just like so, and then you push until you hear a click and there you go. Just move the lens back down, put your camera back, connect to power. And now you just need to wait the camera to boot up. The camera is going to spin the horizontal, that's the pan movement, and also is going to look up and down with the tilt movement. Then the camera would be ready to go, okay? You just need to wait for a while. It's a PT camera, so it takes a while to test and be ready for the setup, okay? Usually the camera is going to find that the SD card is not formatted yet. Sometimes it just...
SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
See, as you can hear, the camera is talking to you and explaining that you need to format the SD card, right? So I just come back here. I see the live video from the camera. And then when I come here to the SD card, storage and recordings, you see here, unidentified. Now I have the SD card here, but I just need to format, right? See here that I just need to format micro SD card, format, and wait for it to finish. Sometimes it just stays in 5% for a while, then goes to 95 and 100%. See? Depending on the size of the card, it's gonna take longer to format, right? Hit OK, and the card is good. Okay, so here you have the storage. I'm not using anything yet. After some time, you're gonna see some usage here, and just make sure that you have loop recording. So the camera is going to delete the old videos and record the new ones. And also come back here and check the recording schedule. So you can see that's recording by motion detection. You can also record by continuously if you want to. You just need to come here, edit, and then you can select anything that you want to be recorded here continuously, and you just save, okay? It's not my case here, I'm not gonna save it. Let's just come back here and make sure that record sound is enabled if you want to record audio, and also the detection, okay? Just come here and see if you have the zone available for detection, and here also you check motion detection is on. You can adjust the sensitivity. If it's all the way down, it's not gonna work fine, so just make sure that you have here in some position that works for you. You can test which one is good for you. And here you can have person detection as well. You can also check the sensitivity and camera tampering. If somebody blocks the camera, you're gonna trigger the alarm. It's going to record here, and also baby crying, right? It's up to you to set up everything here, and then you're good to go. The camera starts recording by itself as long as there's motion in front of it, right? So let me just come back to the playback and download. And here you just select the SD card and you see the recordings, right? So this one is playing already. I have just one recording here by motion, okay? And eventually you're gonna see the timeline here with all the recordings. So super simple. That's the way you can set up an SD card on a TP-Link Tapo C210, okay? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.